So if you're wondering, can you make money on YouTube? The answer is yes. This is a channel right here on YouTube called T Series, and they are making between $967,000 and $15 million every month. And every year, they're making between $11.6 million and $185 million. Guys, now just imagine if you can get just a little slice of that pie, because it's so possible. You know, this channel gets 3 billion views every month. Within the last 30 days, it got 3 billion views. Guys, just imagine if you can get just a little piece of that pie, right? You are gonna be so happy. And you know, a lot of people don't like showing their face on camera. They're kind of like camera shy, or they don't want their voice on their videos. There are some niches where you have to show your face, like vlogging and cooking and things of that sort, but there are other niches where you never have to show your face. You never have to put your voice on a video. And in this video, we're going to be going over new ways to make big money on YouTube, channels that are making a fortune right here on YouTube, and one weird niche that people are making tons of money with. Right, guys, so welcome to Driven to Success. If you're new to my videos, please hit the subscribe button if you love making money and learning new secret ways of making money that no one is talking about. Make sure you smash that like button and leave your thoughts and comments down below. So, how do YouTubers make money? How can you make money on YouTube, right? So there are 3 ways that YouTubers make money on YouTube with their videos. The first one is through ad revenue, right? So with ad revenue, you have ads playing on your videos from companies that want to promote their products and things that they are selling. So in order to get into the YouTube Partner Program, which will allow you to get money from ad revenue, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? Within the last 12 months. So these are the things that you need in order to get into the YouTube Partner Program. Okay, so once you get all these things, you'll be able to be making money from ads on your videos every single month. The second way that people make money on YouTube are through sponsorships. So with sponsorships, you work with companies to kind of show off their products. So companies give you a product to promote, and you promote their product for them right on your channel. So this is not to do with AdSense or ads on your videos, right? This one is like within the video, you are kind of partnering up with a company and showing people about that company and their product. So sponsorships, you know, people get paid for, people can get paid around like $20,000 in one video, $4,000. So people are making a lot of money from sponsorships. The third way people make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. And guys, don't worry, we're going to be going through how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, particularly with the ad revenue. So with affiliate marketing, you promote a product within your video and then you add a link in your description. So people are also making a lot of money by doing affiliate marketing. People are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month just from affiliate marketing, right? So you know, you can definitely combine all these 3 in order to make, you know, crazy, stupid amounts of money on YouTube if you want to. So it's completely up to you. The channel is yours. You can do whatever you please with it, right? So we always want to make the most revenue when we get the chance, right? So guys, YouTube can be a very crazy money-making machine, right? So I'm sure you guys have heard of 5-minute crafts. Sorry about 5-minute crafties, but that's okay. We're just gonna search. This channel is making a lot of money as well. You know, they have 17 billion views with a B. Guys, there's not even a billion people on this earth, and they have 17 billion views. But the previous channel that we looked at called T-Series, that channel had 109 billion views, so that's just crazy. This channel makes between $729,000 to $11 million every year. So guys, just like I said, just imagine getting a piece, just a little piece of that pie. Right, you're going to be rolling in dough, rolling in cash. Guys, there are billions of people on YouTube ready to watch your video. So, you know, all you have to do is make sure that you put the video out there so that people can actually watch it. You need to just start, right? All you need to do is start. So, you could imagine making even 60,000 a month. Like, imagine making this amount of money and you have 5 channels. Then your revenue is going to be multiplied, right? So remember, YouTube is still a very young platform. It was founded in 2005, February 14th. So this is a very young, new platform that people are starting to make a lot of money from. And imagine if you jump on the wagon this early. I mean, you're going to see great results. Guys, so there's a weird niche that people are making money with, and this is kind of like the quiz niche. So like the trivia niche where they do videos about riddles and like asking you doing quizzes and like interesting things like that. People love watching these videos. Like this is a channel, for example, it's called 7-Second Riddles. They have 4.6 million subscribers and 2,818 videos. And guys, remember, the more videos you put out there, the better, because it only takes one video to blow up and make your channel just skyrocket within the algorithm. So this channel is called 7-Second Riddles. They make videos about like 14 brain teasers that'll force your brain to work. If you're a genius, you can score 24 out of 24, and people just love watching these videos, right? They obviously don't take it seriously, but people like to test themselves, and you can see right here that all these videos are getting a lot of views. So this video right here has 20 million views, this video has 16 million views, 15 million, 12, and this is all money, right? So let's see if they're actually monetized. You can see right here that they have ads. Of course they have ads on their video. They're smart because they made this video longer than 12 minutes. There's another channel right here. It's called Genius Test. They have 117,000 subscribers. They started in 2017, about 3 years ago, and they have 12 million views. Let's go back to 7-Second Riddles and see how many views they have. They have a billion views, and they started later than this channel here called Genius Test. So there is a huge market for these kinds of videos, guys. I'm going to show you another channel called Buzz Moy. They have 160,000 subscribers, and their channel was made in 2016. Now they have 132 million views. Guys, this number right here means money. It's very simple. This number right here just simply means a lot of money, right? We're going to go to videos and sort this by most popular. We want to see how many views they got. So their video with the most views got 8.9 million views. They have 5.9 million views, 5 million views, 3 million. This is all money, guys, all money. Let's make sure that they're monetized. Yes, you can see right here that they are monetized. Hidden meaning of your name. Let's see. Okay, so guys, you see right here that they're being really smart. This channel gets a lot of traffic coming to it every day. So they're really smart, and they put their merch within their description, right? So they're selling merch on Teespring here as well. So in addition to making money from AdSense, they're making thousands of dollars from selling merch, and people will buy this stuff. People will buy this stuff. They have so much traffic, right? And there's another channel right here called WowQuiz. Now, this channel here has 191,000 subscribers. They make videos like, if you can pass this test in 15 seconds, you're a genius, right? This video got 1.4 million views. There's another one called only 5% of people can solve these 5 tricky riddles. And I know with me, whenever I see videos like this, I click on them. So they're really clickbaity, guys. You have to know how to make thumbnails that people would want to click on. So right here, do you see the number? You kind of see the number, right? See, it's even like capturing me right now. This is another one, find the boomerang. So you're going to want to click on this, right? And they have a really nice clean logo right here. So we went to Buzzmoy, and there's another one called 1 million. I know, guys, you're getting bored of all these channels that I'm showing you, but I'm just trying to let you know that you probably think to yourself, like, isn't there like so much competition? Isn't it saturated, guys? You just have to know that if 10 people can do it, then you being the 11th person doesn't mean that it's saturated. It means that you just have more videos to bounce off of. You have more ideas to use when you're making your videos, right? So this channel called 1 Million Tests has 620,000 subscribers, and they started in 2018. That was just 2 years ago, guys. Imagine if you started your channel in 2018. Imagine if you started your channel at the beginning of 2020 within this niche. This channel has 94 million views, right? And that means money. That means money. So yeah, guys, it is definitely very possible to be successful on YouTube, especially, if you just start uploading very consistently. And remember, guys, each of these videos right here is like an investment. This is kind of like real estate. Think of it as real estate. So with every video, you have rent that each video is paying. So your channel is kind of like a building, or like a rental property, and each video is paying you every month to stay on your channel, right? Just think of it that way. So the more videos you have, the better. This channel has uploaded a lot of videos. You can see right here, they have so many videos. Can we guess the color of your eyes? What does your name mean? And of course, people are going to want to click on these, right? And you can use these videos as kind of like inspiration for your channels as well, right? Just copy what is working. Like I said in my previous videos, I always say this, guys, just copy what is working. If you see a video that has 10 million views, it means that if you make a video similar to that, people are going to want to watch it still, right? If it worked once, it'll work again, most likely. So make sure that you think long term, guys. Don't think that you're gonna get 10,000, like 100,000 views, 100 million views within the second day of posting. Just make sure that you think long term. These are investments right here, and the more videos you upload, the more money you're going to make. So let's see how many videos. This channel, remember, has 2,000 videos, right? So they say that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, but just imagine if you have 2,000 streams of income. These people are uploading every day, multiple times a day. They're not playing with, they're treating this like a business, right? You have to treat this like a business, and like put your all into it, and just you will eventually see results. You will blow up eventually. It only takes one video for your whole channel to go into a whole new algorithm and for you to start cashing out, right? So you want to remember that each video is like a new stream of income. So every time you upload a new video, you're just increasing your chances for, to blow up and to just be riding the algorithm. So guys, make sure that you subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. If you learned something new, or if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below. If you're still watching right now, you are amazing. So I want to know if you're still watching. Comment make money now in the comments below. I want to know if you guys are still watching. It'll be pretty cool to see who is still watching. So thank you so much for watching this video. Smash the like button and we will catch you in the next one.